The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to revisit a previous example where we used a switch to easily display the day of the week based upon a number that was given to us. However, we said that there was an easier way, we just didn't have the information to be able to do it. Well, the easier way is to use an array, and we're going to see how we're going to do that today in this example. As always, this file is available for download using a link provided below. We'll give you a few seconds to download the file, and then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so let's get started. So I have here my basic setup, and I have an int number day with I'm asking for a number a day and a prompt and a cin statement. In order to make this easier, I'm going to use string days of week, and this is going to be actually an array of strings. Say equal, and then I'm going to have some default values. So my first one is going to be Sunday, comma, Monday. So we want number day to be between 1 and 7. So I'll use an if statement. Let's say if number day is greater than or equal to 1, and using the Boolean logic and operator, 2 ampersands, number day is less than or equal to 7. If so, we'll print out the associated value. However, arrays start at index of 0. So what we'll do is we'll say cout days of week, and I have my square brackets, but inside I'm going to say parentheses number day minus 1. So this is going to subtract 1 from number day, so it's going to give us a value between 0 and 6. Therefore, it is the associated number. Now, what happens if I'm not using one of those numbers? Well, I can say else, and I'll do something like cout error Now I can click run. What day of the week is it? 5. 5 is Thursday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That is correct. Run this a couple more times just to test it out. So 1, that's Sunday. That makes sense. 11, that's an error. That's good. That's correct. And just for giggles, I'll say -3. That's also showing an error, which is correct. So my code is working. It's protecting me against bad data, and then it's going in and getting a value which I do expect, such as a day of the week. This can be put into a function if we want to return that value instead of doing cout, etc. But this is a very simple way to take a string. So instead of having a switch statement with a bunch of cases, we have one simple if statement, and then we use an array. Takes a little bit more memory, but it's as faster to run, and it's a whole lot easier to write. So that's an even better way of doing that previous example. Hopefully you found this example helpful. If so, please like the video and consider looking at the rest of the series on how to get better at programming in C and C++.